Domestic and commercial cleaning business, Ipswich region. Founded in 2016, this cleaning business has grown from a turnover of $57,000 in 2018 to over $317,000 in 2020. The business needs no premises and no assets, as staff use their own products, equipment, and vehicles. Offering streamlined domestic and commercial cleaning, no hands-on cleaning is required by the owners. Regular clients include NDIS, Anglicare, Department of Veterans Affairs, and Homefront Australia, plus domestic and public. There are also ongoing contracts with 6 commercial businesses, and many more available for the taking. With an excellent reputation and continuous referrals, there's a constant flow of work. The current owners are moving overseas, so be quick to snap up this highly profitable business.